Okay, so today's question is find the length of the longest common prefix. So you are given two arrays with positive integers ARR1 and ARR2. A prefix of a positive integer is an integer formed by one or more of its digits starting from its leftmost digit, like starting from the leftmost. What is leftmost here? 1, 2, 3. So for example, 1, 2, 3 is a prefix of the integer 1, 2, 3, 5 because 1, 2, 3 is common in both from the starting, and while 2, 3, 4 is not. So a common prefix of two integers a and b is an integer c such that c is a prefix of both a and b. For example, 5, 6, 5, 5, 3, 5, 9 and 5, 6, 5, 5, 4. 5, 6, 5 and 5, 6, 5, 5 are the prefix here, and for 1, 2, 3 there is 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 there is no common prefix. So you need to find the length of the longest common prefix between all the pairs of the integers x and y such that x belongs to ARR1 and y belongs to ARR2. So we have to return the length of the longest common prefix among all the integers. If no common prefix exists among them, return 0. So let's see the constant for it. Constant is 5 into 10 power 4. The twice of it is also 10 power 8. So it will not give TLE. So we can go for the big of n square solution. So what we will do, we will just generate the all prefix of this ARR1 and store it in a set, and then we will match the prefix of ARR2 if it is present in that particular set. Then we will simply compare it with the answer, and if it is greater than the answer we will return it as the answer. So let's try to code this. So let's create a set. So prefixes is equal to set. Okay, now simply go in ARR1. So for num in ARR1, and to traverse each digit of the number, what should we should convert the number into the string. So s is equal to str of num. Okay, now we will simply go through this string now. So for I in range 1 to len of s plus 1. Okay, what will be the each prefix means for starting from 0 to I, 0 to 1, then 0 to 2, then 0 to 3, so on. So we will add that in the set. So prefixes dot add all the prefixes. So what all the prefixes will be starting from 0 to till I. So now we have stored all the prefixes in this particular set. Now we will go to ARR2, get their prefixes and find and match if it is present in the this prefixes set. So first let's declare an answer as 0, means currently we have the 0 length prefix. Now simply go through ARR2. So for num in ARR2, similarly we will convert the num into str. So string s is equal to str of num. Now similarly go for I in range 1 to len of s plus 1. We will check if s of starting from 0 to I in prefixes. If this is in prefixes, means we have a common prefix between both the integers. So what we will do, we will simply calculate the length. So answer is equal to max of answer, and what will be the length of this particular string? It will be nothing but the I itself. Okay, and finally we can return the answer. So let's try to run this and check if this works. Yeah, so test cases has passed. Let's try to submit and check. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.